Hey YouTube, while we were working on the Ninja race bike to get the carbs cleaned, figured since we had the whole bike apart, we would change the spark plugs. So I got the tank off and I've already just pulled the one spark plug wire. The second one's over there. But I got plugs for it according to what's out there. The correct plug is an NJK CR8E, and the gapping is 0.03. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to gap them, see where they are. I don't know if that has it on there or not, but it actually has it. Okay. Just going to take it and slide it down, see where we are. And we're at 0.03, so that's right where we need to be. So that one's okay. That one back in the box. Hold on a second so it doesn't mess up the gap, and I'll check the other one. Now, from the factory, you would think they would be gapped, but obviously if the box gets hit or anything like that, the gapping would be off. This one's a little tighter. Perfect, 0.03. Perfect. All right, put that back. Let's go pull the plug. All right, so I'm just gonna pull the plug now. I've got two extensions on it. And the plug's actually a little dark. And they had a CR8 in it. So that's what we're doing. Put down a plug. Okay, the kind of spark plug remover I'm using, this is an actual spark plug ratchet, but this one holds the plug in, so I can sink it in and tighten it down. Now obviously you want to go by hand so that you don't screw up any of the threads. So you don't put it in with a ratchet, just put it in by hand until it catches. So you don't cross thread it. So now I bottomed. Oh, I did bottom. Thought I bottomed. Now I bottomed. Oh, still haven't bottomed. Top getting there straighter, huh? Okay. That should be good. Should be bottomed. All right. And we're down. We're in. Just gotta put the top back on it. Trying to get to where it's got to go. It's got to get back in the hole. It's one side. I'm gonna try doing the other side. Now I'm ready to get the second side, and I got my hand on it, and I just popped it. I gotta see if I can get it out to clear it so I can pull it out of there. It's not that easy to clear the frame. Close now. Alright, after fighting with it for a minute or two, I got the plug cap off, wire off. Pull the plug out again. I don't know if these are original to the bike or not. The bike's only got 2,500 miles on it. It's fighting me a little bit because I have 2 extensions on it. That one's a little bad as well. You can see the electrode in there is a little burnt. See it? Drop it down. So, just gotta put the cap back on it. Stop. Okay. Try to get it in there. It's fighting me a little bit. Oh, it didn't hit yet. There we go. Okay. As usual, YouTube, thanks for watching. This was just spark plug change on the Ninja 250 race bike. As always, Greg's out here filming.
As always, like and subscribe and give us a thumbs up.